recording.
Cool.
The Velcro works good on here. Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Go to the right.
Yeah, you go.
Oh, you want me to go first?
Yes, dear.
Okay. Here we go. So we are test riding the e-bikes at nighttime and looking at the Christmas lights too. My bike is set on level 1, I guess. And right now I'm going 8.3 miles. There goes Manny. It's probably about 42 degrees out right now. It's cold. Now I'm going 9 miles an hour. Still on level 1. I don't know if you can see the Christmas lights. Spotlight in the front is the light on the bike. It's lit up pretty good. I'm now going 10.6 miles per hour. Come up to a stop sign. We're gonna go left. Stop. And I just now crossed over to the 1 mile. We've gone 1 mile on this bike for the very first time. Are you all ready for Christmas? Everybody got their Santa wish list out? Is there another one behind us?
No.
I turned over to the 1 mile.
Yeah, I had 2.
We're gonna go this way.
Yeah, how's it look? Oh, look at that.
So far, so good.
Should prove interesting.
Ready?
Yeah.
soon as I get over the hip cramp. Hip cramp. Come on. Which way you want to go? Left? Okay, you hang a left. Can you stop that? Push it to stop. See if I can walk over to you without knocking anything over. This is the back of Manny's helmet. I'm trying to get to him in the dark. I hope I don't trip over anything. Look at that helmet. Is that not snazzy? These are called smart helmets?
Yes.
How do you like it so far? Here, right here, just turn. How do you like it?
It fits perfect. You gotta be here. Come over here. Watch me fall.
The bikes are right there.
Okay, here's the back of it. Here's the seat. And we go over to the handlebars. Wait a minute. There it is, handlebars. All right. Here we go. Watch my helmet.
Okay. Go ahead.
Okay.
Look, he's got signals. He's got the right signal and the left signal. Hands free. Yes?
Yep. Just got to press a button. Once you press it, where you want me, that's it.
And then you can, and then can you raise your arms to automatically initiate the signals?
No.
Oh, you have to use the remote?
Yeah, which is attached to your handlebars.
Oh, okay.
Just press the side you want to go, and it talks. You can listen to radio, which I like. You can listen to music. You can talk to each other. And that's a safety thing. I really like that.
It is a good safety.
Yeah.
A good safety thing to have at nighttime because you need all the extra lights you can.
Yeah. You see me now?
Can you find a thing on your bike to the back of the bike where here's the for the light? Yeah. Show them the light. Look at that. When you back up, you can see the light. You do all your sequences?
Yeah.
That's so people can really see us because, you know, safety is very important when you're riding at nighttime.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Especially when you're talking in the dark.
When you're talking in the dark and you can't see what you're doing.
Yeah. I'm beginning to see now.
Okay. I'm going to turn it off now.
My dire.
Bink! The button is, there's control buttons right up front here.
Yep.
And this is where it's like a magnetized recharger USB port. You just magnetize on there. Then you have your, what are these?
Forward, reverse.
Forward and reverse.
And listen to music.
Listen to music. And then the power button to turn the helmet off is right here.
Yep, and the microphone's over here.
And the microphones
right there
are right here. So let me turn mine off. Listen.
Power off.
Power.
Isn't that cool? Okay.
The toys us old folks like. Yeah, we got to start playing now, right?